Your boiler will usually be located in your kitchen and should already be switched on when you move in. You can adjust the temperature of your hot water and heating using the controls on the front. To increase the temperature of your hot water, press the left-hand selection button. The hot water temperature currently set is shown flashing on the display. Use the minus or plus buttons to adjust the hot water temperature. Confirm by pressing the right-hand selection button. Please note your water temperature should not exceed 43 degrees, as per the health and safety recommended guidelines. To adjust the temperature of the heating flow, press the right-hand selection button. The current value of the heating temperature is shown on the display. Use the minus or plus buttons to adjust the temperature. Confirm by pressing the right-hand selection button. To temporarily shut down the boiler, press the on-off switch. If the boiler is switched off, the display turns off. To avoid freezing pipes, don't leave your home without heating for more than a day or two in the winter. Program the central heating system to operate for 1 hour per day. For further instructions and settings available with your boiler, please consult the instruction manual located in your property. If you feel that there's a problem with your boiler, please contact Radian.